Welcome to this charming home located at 37 Goldmine in the community of Wagon. You're looking at a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. It has been lovingly maintained, and as you can see, it is an open concept floor plan with an abundance of natural light. You're going to love this home. Let's go take the tour. I'm currently in the common room. You have an additional living room and a dining room. You're located on a corner lot with a wraparound yard. It is so private and peaceful here. You're going to love it. Don't you just love this backyard? It's so pretty back here. If you have interest in viewing this home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.